Hey everyone, so today's video is going to be about how to set a ringtone for your iPhone for free. Free. All right, so let's jump right into the video. It's going to be a screen record and I'm just going to do a voiceover. All right, so you're going to start off by going on any ringtone website that you can download on your phone. You can go to Zedge, or there's another one that I will post. Click on the song. All right, so now you're going to click on download, and then it's going to ask if you want to download the Zedge app. It's kind of stupid because it's only for wallpapers, or you can wait 10 seconds for it to be downloaded to your phone. And once it's done, you're going to click on download. And once it's being downloaded, you're going to click on that little circle at the top, click on the download section, click share. Then you're going to go to save to files. Then you're going to save the file to your GarageBand app, which is the app that you're going to use in order to create your ringtone. All right, see you on the next slide. Okay, so now you're going to open the GarageBand app, click on audio recorder, flip it to the soundboard. Then you're going to click on the little loop at the top. Then you're going to click on a song that you just downloaded, drag it to the soundboard. And then once you do that, you're going to click on settings, make sure everything looks good and it doesn't sound off. Click done. Once you click done, click on the plus sign all the way to the right. Make sure it is at 30 bars. Make sure it's set for 30. Then after that, you can press play to listen to the Okay, and now it's time to save your ringtone. Click on the drop down arrow to the top left, click on my songs, and it will save. You're gonna hold it until you see share. Scroll down, you're gonna see share, click on share, and then click on ringtone. Then you're gonna change the name of your ringtone because obviously it's gonna get saved to your settings, and then you wanna know what ringtone you have. So then you're gonna click on export. And then once it exports your ringtone, you'll be able to set it as your ringtone. It takes some time for it to set. All right, click use sound as, and then standard ringtone or whatever tone you want. See you in the next slide. All right, so now you're gonna go down to your settings and check it to make sure that is all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment at the bottom and I will answer if you get lost. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.